What's up, chess player, and welcome to the Journey to Grandmaster, the place where you can improve every aspect of your chess game. And today I want to share with you the story how I cheated on the World Chess Championship. At the same time, I haven't done anything illegal, so don't click away out of this video and out of this channel, but it is somehow a legal cheat how you can actually make a draw against a very strong grandmaster in chess, so let me share it with you. I have played as white, and that was a Ragozin defense here, the opponent that I really like to play as black because it's a very dynamic one, it's a very complex one, you need to know a lot of theory, but if you do, that's gonna be a perfect weapon for you against white. So I knew here some secrets, and I decided, well, I'm playing against an incredibly strong grandmaster, 300 points more than me, so I thought, well, a draw would be a good result, and if he wants to really win the game, then he needs to do something special, and then I'm gonna get my chances, so it's somehow a psychological trick. But now, close to the topic, how I cheated here, at least I think so. I haven't made any moves of my own here. All of the moves I made were strictly the computer moves that I have analyzed before the tournament and yeah, even some months ago, but I really remembered that as a good option as white if I want to be as solid as possible. And that was exactly the case. So bishop g5, the main move here, h6, and then I'm just taking this knight. Well, I'm always teaching you that exchanging the bishop for a knight without anything in reward is not that great, but well, of course, there are always some exceptions. Here it is that I'm winning some time to develop my pieces as fast as possible. This rook goes to c1, castles, and e3. I'm just protecting the c4 pawn, and you can see that black still has some difficulties with those queen-side pieces, and that is why yeah, white is a little bit better here, just a little bit. Of course, black is fine. Black is taking on c4 and playing c5. That is mainline theory. That is why I didn't need to think about it. And in the rapid chess, it's even more important because, well, you can have the entire 15 minutes still on your clock that you have in the beginning of the game. Castles, takes, knight takes d4, and bishop d7. Very understandable idea to play knight c6 next move and develop all of the pieces, then the rook goes to the center and so on. But, well, I still have this one-time opportunity, and it's very important to use it before your opponent fully finishes the development. If you have an idea to be active, you should absolutely use it. At the same time, I'm continuing my development, because the only pieces I haven't developed yet are my queen and the rook. So the move is entirely logical, but remember, I have not thought about it on my own. I knew that that is a move because not only I'm attacking the bishop, if bishop goes away, I'm attacking the pawn on b7. So knight c6, just exchanging those pieces, knight takes, and now bishop takes. Now there are two options, and even here I was lucky because I still remembered what needs to be done. I mean, queen c3 is also a normal move, but queen to b7 doesn't really allow my opponent any chances to really play for a win. And well, once again, I had a very strong tournament. I mean, that was very stressful for me, so having a quick draw without making my own moves, so not taking any risks, was a very good option for me in this round. So after bishop takes, I just took it, bishop takes b2, rook c2, and here I offered a draw, and basically nobody has no weaknesses, the pawn structure is completely symmetrical, and also rook c2 was the last move I remembered needs to be done from the theoretical variation, so that is a perfect moment to offer a draw. My opponent agreed, and well, here you have it, how you can legally cheat in chess, because in any other sports you couldn't really imagine that. It's not like in a football match you can just go on and play the first 20 minutes according to your preparation and offer a draw. I mean, that never works. But in chess, it's a perfect way to play a game against a very strong opponent. Of course, if your opponent is not that strong, it doesn't really make sense to make a draw as white, but sometimes it works like that, and why not to use it? Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and see you in the next game. For example, in this video, I show you an incredibly important principle. Mastering it will boost your chess level tremendously, so definitely take a look at it.